Hey everyone, welcome back to DigiGlobe Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cover a fundamental topic in SQL, how to create a table. Whether you are setting up a new database or organizing data for a project, understanding how to create tables is essential. Let's jump right in. What is a table in SQL? A table is a structured set of data held in a database. It's made up of rows and columns where each column represents a specific type of data and each row is a record in table. Think of it like a spreadsheet with headers and data entries. Creating a table in SQL is a straightforward. I will walk you through the steps using an example how to create a employee database table. Now we will use company database and we will create employee table. Let us create employee table. Use create table employees. Employees have ID which is int data type and we use primary key. Don't worry, we will learn this in next chapter about primary keys. And name which is varchar as department which is varchar and salary decimal data type. Now we will use company here. So we created let's created a table employees. Now we will execute this statement and we successfully created table employees table which has id employee name employee department and salary. Creating a table in SQL involves the defining the table structure which includes specifying the columns, the data types and any constant such as primary keys or unique keys. And that's it. You just created a table in SQL. This process is the foundation of building and managing databases. So, mastering it is a key. Remember, you can create tables with as many columns as needed, depending on the data you want to store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.